So you go to here and you hit the menu button. And then the third one down is calibrate, so you hit the down arrow to calibrate. Then you hit the check, it's like enter. And then yes, we want to calibrate. So we're going to start with the low. Now we already put the password in. The password's 1000. We won't be required to put it in again, I don't believe. But first you have to come over here. You put this over to local, and then you hit your step button over to 0. 0 is the low. You come back here and you hit the enter. Now it says the target is 0. Right now it's me reading minus 0.37% O2. So you hit enter. Now, like I said, normally you would have to put the password in, which is 1000. So it says calibrating. Calibration complete. Now we're going to do the high. So all we have to do here is push the down arrow. We're still in local. We just come over to span. And now we go back over. Now we'll hit enter, which is the check mark. And it gives you the current reading. It's best to let this current reading stabilize. And when it stops climbing, really it would be a minute or so. But we'll leave it sit there, and it's pretty close to stop and stabilized. So we'll hit the check. It says calibrating. And it says calibration complete. And then you just hit from here, you hit the X, because you don't want to hit the check again. You'll go back into calibrating the high. So you just step out again, and step back to the main menu, and now it's reading what the span bottle is. So just to check to make sure it's accurate, you come back over here, put it back to 0, and then it should come back pretty close to 0. You know, a couple tenths isn't going to really matter, but again, you know, it should stabilize for some amount of time before you just hit calibrate. Okay. So now it's reading 0.08, and it'll come down that last little bit, and that's nothing, right? So now you just come back over here, go to sample, and then put it back to remote. The main thing is you have to remember is that it will shut the MDR down if they're running. So you need to let them know that up front.
Thank you, Carlo.
All right.